In this video, we will show you how to get coordinates on Google Maps. But before we go to Google Maps in here, you must know that Google Maps only works with coordinate formats using decimal digit or DT, using DMS or DMM. Okay, let's practice with this. And the best to do using Google Maps is using satellite view. You can click layers in here. And using satellite view, for example, let's find some location in New York. Okay, I will zoom until the location is appear. Okay, for example, I want to zoom in here. Okay, and you must know the Google Maps cannot be 100% accurate. So you can get the coordinates, for example, here until maximum zoom. This is the best method to get coordinates more accurate. Okay, we can get the coordinate is only this using DG format. Okay, we can copy this, for example, and of course in here we open again google.com/maps, and if you can see, I will paste the format of this coordinate. It can be found, you can see here, and this is our previews. Okay, and you can see there. And for example, this is not the format 40M. Okay, if you also include this code, it will not work, of course. Let's open again google.com/maps. Sorry, and paste with include the 40M here with the commas, and it will not work. Okay, Google Maps can find these coordinates or locations, but if you only just copy this, because we can only using the DD, DMS or DMM format here. So when we copy the right format here, the Google Maps will found the location, and you can see here. And that's all tutorial how to get coordinates on Google Maps. Hope this video helpful for you.